Welcome to our digital budget planner. In this video, we are going to be showing you a little preview of this planner. We'll be using GoodNotes on an iPad Pro in this demonstration. We first start off with some brief instructions before getting right into the planner. The first section will be to set goals. You can set as many goals as you want, and you can pick a time frame that fits the particular goal the best. Next, we have your monthly budget. There are 5 categories to budget. You have income, fixed expenses, variable expenses, debt payments, and savings. At the very bottom, you can add up the totals for the month to see how you did. After that, we go to the Transaction tab. This is where you log all the transactions for the month to keep track of money coming in and going out of your account. This is a great way to catch any transactions you weren't expecting. Now we move on to the Debt Tracker. Add up to 4 accounts per page. Track the amount you owe, interest rate, and payments you make. A great tool for quickly paying down your debt. Next, we have your Savings Tracker. This is a great tool whether you're saving for a new car or retirement. You can track your goal and see all the transactions being added to it. After that, we have the Wishlist page. Budgeting doesn't always have to be boring. Here you can pick something you want to buy and track it. Do you still want it in a month, or was it just an impulse want? Now we move on to the Credit Tracker. You can periodically check your credit scores and see how you're doing. Even chart your scores to see progress. The final budgeting tool is the Summary. You can keep track the income and expenses from each month so you can get an overview of how the year is going. And lastly, there is a section for notes if there is anything you need to write or jot down. Throughout the video, you should have noticed the navigation via the tabs and links. We've included as much navigation in the planner as possible. This makes it easier to use. Also, we have 2 different themes you can choose from. You can choose light or dark theme. And that is our digital budget planner. To purchase this planner, please visit the link in the description. You can also get 15% off of your first purchase. Details when you visit our store.